Hi, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free label on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supply needs. Today we're going to look at a Canon MF8280. The problem we're having is when our client uses the document feeder, it's leaving lines or smudges on the pages. So what we're going to do is open it up. And if you notice, those two pieces of glass. This one is for the document feeding, this one is for the scan bay. We're going to use glass cleaner on the lint-free rag. And we're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag itself, not on the glass. And we're just going to clean it off. And once it looks nice and clean, I'm going to close it up. Now at this point we would put test pages through it to make sure that all the smudges and lines are gone. If they are not gone, we will repeat the process until we're happy with the results.